Evidence of evolution. The theory of evolution through natural selection is a process where organisms change over time their heritable traits. There are many different forms of evidence that support this theory: anatomy, molecular biology, biogeography, fossils, and direct observation. Anatomy. Different species show that they share similar physical structures that are believed to be from a common ancestor. These structures are called homologous structures. These animals all have similar bones, indicating that they all came from a common ancestor. Some animals have structures that are no longer needed but are still found in the animal's anatomy. These are called vestigial structures. Whales and snakes do not have hind limbs, and yet they still have hind limb bones. Molecular biology. The DNA of animals show that many have very similar DNA sequences. The closer the DNA sequences are, the more related the species. Humans and chimpanzees share 96% of their DNA sequence. Biogeography. The distribution of species around the world and the unique features of island-dwelling species reflect how species adapt to environments and can change over time. Many of the animals in Australia are marsupials. This means that they carry their young in their pouch until they are completely developed. Fossils. Fossils are the remains or impressions of organisms. Scientists can use carbon dating and the age of rocks to determine how old a fossil is. Fossils can be used to show how organisms developed over time. Direct observation. We can observe small-scale evolution in organisms that have short life cycles. Drug-resistant bacteria and mosquitoes that are resistant to DDT are some examples. So there are many different forms of evidence that support the theory that organisms change over time, creating new species: anatomy, molecular biology, biogeography, fossils, and direct observation. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.